Hello guys, what's up? So if you're looking for the green eyes effect in TikTok, so check out this video. I'll show you how you can find that filter. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending and this filter is also trending, so slide up and okay, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and that's it. Okay, you can see blue now. You have to wave your hand, okay, until you find green, and that's it. Now you can record your video, and if you can't see the filter here, then you can go to discover and you can search for contact lenses, and these are the video with this filter. Tap on any video you want, and on the left corner, bottom left corner, you can see the effect button in yellow. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can also try the filter from there. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can find the filter in TikTok, and still if you are not finding this filter, check the description box. I'll give the link to the filter there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.